Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Today we've got this 2023 VW Up in for a reversing camera. So we can either put it onto the screen here, so when you select reverse the picture comes up, or this customer would like to go for a replacement mirror. So with this one we're going to replace this mirror for one with a built-in screen, and you'll see how wide the screen will be once it's working. So what we've got to do is remove this mirror from the mount. As you can see, they're slightly different. So then machine this mirror onto this mount. So let's get going. What we've managed to do is to change the mounts over. The ball size in there was the same size, so they've just swapped over, which is pretty cool. Let's get it on. Right, so here we are, all installed. We've got the new mirror mounted onto the existing stem. So all we do is we select reverse, picture comes up, take that to reverse, picture goes away. So as you can see, you've got the parking lines coming up the side. You do have an off button if you don't want to watch it. Let's just do that. Oh, that's better. And you can just see the two corners of the bumper. It's always nice to get the bumper in the view, but where the camera on this one's low down, you've got to tilt it slightly to be able to see where you're going behind rather than just pointing at the floor. There we go. Pretty cool.